Most people cook chicken over a grill or a smoker. Today we're doing something a little different. We're hanging it whole chicken over an open campfire, seeing if this old school cooking method is actually worth the effort. Welcome back to Makin Bacon. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. The plan is pretty simple today. We're going to season the chicken, hang it over a fire. Make sure you stick around because we're going to baste it with a garlic, onion, butter sauce that's amazing. And we're going to find out if all this effort's worth it. Once the fire's going good and hot, make sure you let those coals burn down a little bit. I'm keeping it pretty straightforward today because I want to baste it with that garlic, onion, butter sauce. So we're using some chicken dust. It's my go-to chicken rub. Salt, paprika, onion, garlic, black pepper. Now here comes the fun part. Once that fire's nice and hot, and you got that chicken trussed and tied up tight, you're going to hang it right over that hot fire. It's a little windy today, so I had those bricks there to help keep the heat. Now let's hope that string don't break. I soaked it in some water before I hung it, but we'll see. Now from here, it's just a waiting game. Unlike cooking on a regular grill or smoker, you don't really know the temperature, so you just got to keep an eye on it. And we're going to be rotating it every so often once the skin gets crispy and browned on certain sides. So let's crack a beer, sit back, enjoy the view and the process. Look at that golden skin, that fat dripping down into those coals. While that bird's cooking, let's make the sauce. Half stick butter, 2 tablespoons of garlic wine. Yes, garlic wine. Then we're going to come in with 1 tablespoon of onion wine, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then just mix it together, bring it to a simmer, not a boil. We just want to cook that alcohol off. Now the skin's getting good color and crispy. Let's baste it with that delicious garlic onion butter sauce that we just made. That butter dripping down into those hot coals is nothing but flavor coming back up. Rotate the bird a few more times and look at the fat dripping out of there into those coals. That color of that gorgeous golden skin. Man, this smells awesome. We're going to rotate this bird a few more times. Make sure all sides are crispy and golden. Once we get the bird up to temp, 165 in the breast, 175 in the thighs, we're going to be good to go. Now we're going to start breaking this bird down. Look at the color on that skin and the juiciness. Wow. Smells amazing. Even Maisie down there looking for some scraps that may come off the bird. Moment of truth. Plating it up with some noodles here. See how this thing tastes. Smells great. Got a nice skin on it. Smoky, juicy, garlicky, a little salty. Man, that was worth it. So let's recap. Build the fire. Season the chicken. Hang that bird. Rotate the bird. Make sure to get all sides even. Make the sauce. Baste the bird. Break it down. Plate it and enjoy. Hey, thanks for joining me today. You learned something, liked the video, or just got hungry? Hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure to ring that bell so you never miss a chance to fire up something good. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And as always, keep making bacon.